This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can check the drone's battery serial number on this device. So to start, you will need to enter the flight interface and launch settings by tapping at the three horizontal dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Now, first method to do that is to enter the safety category, scroll this page down and open the battery info. Here you have it, the battery serial number. Or you can also do that through opening the about section or about category, scrolling it down also, and looking for the battery SN, which is the same here. So those are two ways you can use to check the aircraft's, the serial number of the aircraft's battery, which is very convenient for managing multiple batteries, which if you fly drones, you are, most probably. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.